Hi friends, this is Akram. Welcome to my YouTube channel Machine Learning and Deep Learning using Python. Here I am going to make machine learning playlist, deep learning playlist, artificial intelligence playlist and Python playlist. I am going to start from scratch. Don't miss my videos. I am going to upload all the videos completely here. Coming to this technology is a booming technology in this decade. Who can learn this technology? Any graduate or any postgraduate without any stream. Anyone can do. Either he may be from mechanical background, he may be from civil background, he may be from electrical and electronics background, any background, and computer science background also. So anyone can, any graduate or postgraduate can do this technology, and this is the booming technology in this decade, and so much of hiring is happening in India and abroad. So continuing to our session, this is the architecture of artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. Coming to artificial intelligence, it is a computers that can imitate human intellect and behavior. Machine learning, statistical algorithms that enable AI implementation through data. Deep learning, subset of machine learning which follows neural networking. Yeah, here we can say it as a data analytics. This technology we can call it as a data analytics. Analytics is a collection of techniques and tools used for creating value from data. We more deep dive into artificial intelligence here. Artificial intelligence is the technique of developing machines that imitate human behavior. It provides objects, machines, and systems the ability to simulate human behavior. Thinks of this way, artificial intelligence systems are machines that think and act as humans do. They have an intelligent brain just like humans do. It is useful to your organizations in ways you can't even imagine. An accurate visual perception of data, speech recognition, extracting insights from data, translation of documents and language and much more. Means in artificial intelligence is nothing but the machine is working as a human. Means we are transferring our intelligence to the machine. So machine is working here. So we can call it as an artificial intelligence. Machine is working here. Coming to machine learning. Machine learning is the building block behind artificial intelligence systems. You might have read somewhere about AI and ML are probably gotten confused. Yes. You may also think that AI is a subset of machine learning, but it's the other way around. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Please keep in mind, yeah, friends, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Okay. Machine learning is a technique, approach, or process of implementing artificial intelligence which involves parsing massive amounts of data, learning from that data, and making prediction based on that. What you should know about machine learning programs is that the more data you feed them, the better they get at making predictions. These machine learning algorithms modify on their own using the data sets. Here, coming to machine learning, I want to discuss more and I will give some example here. For every business analysis, machine learning should be there. Machine learning means if suppose take any take any aviation. If suppose for example I will take Indigo flight. If suppose Indigo flight is traveling from Hyderabad to some Mumbai. While traveling from Hyderabad to Mumbai, how much of the data is getting stored? And from traveling from Mumbai to Hyderabad, how much of the data is being stored? Like, and one more example, if suppose there is any retail supermarket, in that supermarket, customers used to purchase the things from there, and we need to analyze the data in the ways like sales, sales of the day, sales of the month, sales of the quarter, sales of the year, previous year sales, current year sales, like this means we are analyzing the data. Here the main agenda here is we are taking the data, we are working on the data, we are cleansing the data, we are deep diving to the data, and we are taking the insights from the data, and we are giving the best to business owners. So here we are working on so many n number of algorithms here, that is called machine learning. And coming to deep learning is a machine learning technique that teaches computers to do what comes natural to humans. Learn by example. Deep learning is a key technology behind driverless cars, enabling them to recognize a stop sign or to distinguish a pedestrian from a lamppost. It is the key to voice control in consumer devices like phones, tablets, TVs, and hands-free speakers. Deep learning is getting lots of attention lately and for good reason. It's achieving results that were not possible before. In deep learning, a computer model learns to perform classification tasks directly from images, text, or sound. Models are trained by using a large set of labeled data and neural network architectures that contain many layers. Yeah, coming to deep learning example, we will deep dive into this deep learning. We have good examples like here driverless cars. How these driverless cars are going to work? How these driverless cars are going to drive by us? It has a technology in that it will recognize everything in front of the, while it was while it was in a running mode, it will recognize each and everything, stop sign, pedestrian crossing, and automatically it will act accordingly. And these deep learning techniques, in deep learning techniques we are taking the data. How we are taking the data in the form of images or sound, or it may be a text. Okay, this is what about complete deep learning. So we are going to learn more in the upcoming videos. Please don't miss the playlist. Please watch each and every algorithm and each and every video of my session. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Don't forget to click on bell icon. Why? Because when I post a new videos, it will prompt you that new video was posted. Thank you.